Algorand's AMA in a real sense shows a really lovely descending pattern in a very significant manner. As far as ALGO support floor, it fundamentally explicitly is presently 29 cents, which by and large is very critical, which essentially is genuinely huge. ALGO fall 1.81% in 7 days, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand sort of is by and by esteemed at 18 cents the 30th of April 2023. In this video, we'll by and large basically walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now and entirely attempt to answer these habitually in every way that really matters. Clarified pressing issues. What generally is very transient cost expectation for Algorand? Generally is ALGO a kind of especially wise speculation, which in a real sense all things considered, is very huge. Algorand support and obstruction levels and so forth, showing how Algorand's AMA by and large shows a sort of commonly descending pattern, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking, which is genuinely huge. In any case, prior to plunging certainly profound into the ALGO specialized examination, truly let us generally discuss the in every way that really matters, current economic situations, or so they for the most part thought. Market examination over the by and large especially last 24 hours. There certainly sort of was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very in every way that really matters. Whole digital currency market to $1,207,439,266.683 in an unobtrusive manner. The genuinely complete exchanging volume very remains at $29,197,739,992 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 47.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally most certainly has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they sort of thought in an unobtrusive manner, which sort of in every way that really matters, brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,344.52 level after a vertical development of 0.19% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a value lessening of 0.16% coming to $1,901.99 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner, which in a real sense is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $334.61. Following a value change of 3.58% inside a similar time span, exhibiting that LGO fall 1.81% in 7 days, which explicitly for the most part is very critical in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere near 0.84 and as of now exchanging at 48 cents, exhibiting how Algorand's AMA explicitly especially shows a sort of descending pattern, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a really significant way. These occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market, all things considered, essentially is going in an actually for the most part descending course for truly present moment, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. As of now, a by and large broad for the most part bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $334.61, following a value change of 3.58% inside a similar time span, exhibiting that LGO fall 1.81% in 7 days in an essentially genuinely huge manner. Algorand backing and opposition backing and obstruction certainly are significant specialized markers used to really sort of distinguish kind of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. So Algorand's AMA in every practical sense shows an especially descending pattern in a genuinely significant manner. Support especially for the most part is a level at which purchasers by and large become commonly genuinely more kind of truly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how the kind of all-out exchanging volume extremely remains at $29,197,739,992 in an exceptionally significant manner, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which vendors sort of explicitly become move most certainly dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, truly in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Following really are the help and opposition levels of Algorand execution in every practical sense. Current Algorand cost for the most part basically is 18 cents, with an exchanging volume of $29,372,609 in the very fundamentally beyond 24 hours. So XRP in every practical sense, by and large local coin of XRP generally in a real sense is somewhere near 0.84 and presently exchanging at 48 cents, exhibiting how Algorand's AMA sort of shows in every practical sense descending pattern in an unpretentious way. At present, ALGO generally sort of is somewhere near 1.39% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $1,311,017,086 USD. Especially further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Algorand Value Examination ALGO Cost Investigation for the 30th of April 2023 inside a fundamentally day-to-day time span in every practical sense, made sense of beneath, showing how yet prior to jumping in every practical sense, profound into the ALGO specialized examination, entirely let us basically discuss the essentially current economic situations, which really is very huge in a genuinely enormous manner. We utilize truly relative strength index, moving fundamentally normal assembly and difference, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving truly normal and dramatic moving essentially normal to especially investigate the future development of the algorithm, which especially really is very huge, which generally is genuinely critical. The Algorand generally especially has for the most part break all its especially upholds levels, and things basically are not looking especially great for the crypto market, sort of additional appearance how various elective digital currency, as ETHEREUM basically essentially has seen a value lessening of 0.16% coming to $1,901.99 during the past 24 hours, which is very critical. As of now, sort of bears especially are in charge of the market and effectively generally take ALGO cost underneath the urgent help level of 29 cents in a very significant manner, or so they thought, while ALGO's Williams %R marker essentially explicitly is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. The exchange certainly beautiful sign fundamentally is actually essentially conceivable at this reach, showing how the Algorand sort of has in a real sense break all its in every way that really matters, upholds levels, and things actually especially are not looking excellent for the crypto market, especially sort of additional appearance how various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM especially has seen a value lessening of 0.16% coming to $1,901.99 during the past 24 hours. Sort of lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The ALGO USD moving truly normal union and disparity pointer actually truly is demonstrating an extremely present moment in every practical sense. Sell truly kind of sign as the MACD line certainly is moving underneath exceptionally signal line, which basically implies truly bears sort of truly are overwhelming on the lookout, which generally shows that help in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers especially become most certainly more especially dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how the genuinely all-out exchanging volume most certainly remains at $29,197,739,992, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The especially relative strength file shows that the ALGO coin truly